Hello viewers, welcome to Zeegoals. Today my topic is graph paper tool. In this video, we will learn that how we can use graph paper tool in CorelDraw. So we use it for graph paper and we can also use it for columns and so on. So let's see how it's work. First go over here and select the graph paper tool from here and drag it just like that. Now let's see in the property bar. From here we can change the number of columns and rows. Like how much you want, you can change it from here, like 5 columns and 5 rows. Click enter and then drag it like that. We can use these boxes where we want. Like I want one row and 6 columns. Then enter and now drag it just like that. So we can use these boxes for forms and for name boxes. Now if you want to fill the color in it, so select this and just fill the color like that. So you can see the same color is filling in the whole boxes. But if you want to fill the separate color in separate box, so you need to do this. Right click, then click on ungroup all. So now they are all separated like that. Now you can fill the separate color in it, like select the boxes, hold the shift key from the keyboard and select it just like that and fill the color in it. And if you want to change the outline width, you can change it from here like how you want. And we can also change the shape style of these boxes just like that. So in that way we can use graph paper tool in CorelDraw. So it was today's topic. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.